My name is Emma and I work with Rick Hogue, Realtor at United Real Estate Infinity. Enjoy this preview of one of his listings. Call Rick for all of your real estate needs at 239 910 8987. Don't forget, pick Rick, new price and ready for new owners. A few shingles and some other repairs have already been scheduled for completion. Sellers can close quickly. If we can't get the repairs done before closing, we will escrow enough to have it finished. This home is ready for you to just open the door and start living the paradise dream, as it is turnkey with high-end finishes on every floor. Boasting 3,360 of under-air footage and over 6,100 of living space, this home features 4 bedrooms, plus an office, with 4 full and 1 half baths. The home was built in 2016 and sits on 2 lots, with an additional boat dock lot included, giving you an abundance of privacy on both sides of the home. This home has 2 air units that maintain the temperature in the home with separate thermostats on each floor. It is a short boat ride toward Wiggins Pass to get out to the Gulf, with no bridges. There is a full outdoor camera security system, and all windows and doors are PGT impact resistant.